Hello guys, what's up? I'm gonna film a little video here. It's gonna be kind of a little documentary of the snowstorm. It's supposed to get about a foot, maybe even more in some places. This is the snow that was left from last time's snow event. If you watched that video, then there was quite a decent amount of snow, but most of it melted. There was a couple of warm days, and then the ground was also warm, so just the snow melted from the ground down, even when it was on a colder day, because it took a couple of days for the ground to completely freeze. Now it's solid. Nothing's gonna go through, nothing's gonna melt. The snow will have no problem accumulating at the beginning. So this is how the yard looks like before the snow. And I'll just keep updating you guys until the snow's over. Completely overcast clouds, skies. It was sunny in the morning, now it's completely overcast. So I'll update you guys back when it starts snowing. Well, it finally started to snow. About an hour and a half has passed. No accumulation. For sure none. I don't know if you can even see it snowing. Such small flakes. There we go, you can see a little bit there. Against the background. I'll try getting you guys a better view of the snow because it's still barely snowing, but I just wanted to notify you guys as soon as possible. Yep, it is definitely snowing. The grass is almost completely covered. There's about 2 inches of snow on the ground. We'll definitely need to be shoveling today. It's just so much of it. And it's coming down so fast. It's awesome, and the flakes are huge. Just little lights to show you better. Absolutely massive. Look at that. Huge. Coming down fast and furious. If this is gonna snow like this all night, then it'll be 2 feet, but there's no way it will be snowing like this all night, because then it'd be way more snow. Yeah, but right now it's coming down really, really hard. Heavy snow. Keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so this is a quick update. It's midnight now. The snow has let up about officially 3 inches so far, but the radar is soon gonna start filling in again, and that will lead to more heavier snow throughout the day on Sunday and tonight. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll be back on Sunday morning. Well, it's starting to snow again. It's 11 o'clock. The National Weather Service and other weather forecasters were a little bit off. There was a 4-hour break in the snow. There is only 4 inches of snow on the ground right now. There is still a warning for 8 additional inches of snow, but really it has been changing, and the chances for a foot of snow have been decreasing. But we still have a fair good chance. This heavy snow is going to increase with the heavy snow bands approaching from the south. We still have a good shot at an additional 8 inches. Keep you guys updated. Well, the snow intensity definitely picked up. It's 1:40 right now. 1 inch of snow has fallen since noon. Snowfall rate's about 1.5 inches per hour. It snows like this the whole day. We could end up with a foot of snow on the ground by the end. Well, I don't think it'll snow all the way till 9. That's what the National Weather Service is saying, but if it does like this, then oh boy, it's gonna be a blockbuster storm, and I'm excited, but I just can't believe it that it will. Just shoveled, already covered up. Everything's so quiet. There was a break about 5 hours in the morning time where no snow fell, but it's picking up really intense right now, so have my hopes set high. Hey guys, it's 3:50 now. The snow has definitely filled in. You could even see it in the past hour filling in across northwestern parts of Illinois. I live right here, so this is a lapse of the past hour, and the snow is really heavy bands within it. Look at that one right in Rockford. They're getting an 1.5 inch per hour snowfall rates, which is very impressive. So several more hours to go of snow and several more inches to go. Alright guys, the snow intensity rate is absolutely ridiculous. Do you see this? All the snow falling. It may not look like if it's intense, but oh lord, is it falling heavy. I can't even zoom in on it because it's already dark. Flakes are absolutely massive. I mean, they're massive. You can't even pick them up how big they are on this camera, but they are huge. Ever since my last video, about 5 inches fell, the last update, and officially on the ground there is about 8 inches of snow. So the intensities have really picked up, and it's going to keep snowing like this for the next several hours. Well, this is it guys. It's barely snowing anymore. The snow has pretty much stopped to let up. We shoveled, but then it sort of snowed. It snowed about half an inch, but then it stopped. So I don't think we're going to be shoveling again. Wow, honestly, this snowstorm has been just such a long event, but awesome because, so at first, Sunday morning, when there was like that huge break, I thought that there was going to be no more snow, maybe maybe 1 inch or 2, but as of now, there was a huge, heavy snow band that came across and dropped 8 inches. So right now, as of total, I think in O'Hare Airport, which is the official measuring site for Chicago, we are in at 10 inches. I'm not sure though, I need to check back. I would go and measure on our table, which I measured last time. Way over there, you can't see it, but there's about 10 inches. It's awesome, it's like all piled up. It's about 10 inches of snow there. Yeah, just some light snow showers falling. Nothing much. All what fallen has fallen. Awesome, and it's actually kind of melting because it's 32 degrees, but tomorrow it's going to be 20, then it's going to be falling drastically into really cold temperatures. So as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.